Coming to you live from the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Currently in the inside of my garage. You are looking at the garage door. Going to attempt to try to get out today. I think there's about 5 feet of snow in the backyard. I'm going to make my way towards the front. Trying to keep the hands warm while operating this camera is not that easy. Sorry about the big gloves, folks. St. Patrick's Day. Try not to fall. M35 is still pretty snow covered. We'll take a little walk since there's no traffic. Pretty much just plowed down the center. Crazy. You can't even pull into the Lions Club. There is no driveway. Definitely have feet of snow though. Plenty of snow, and it is currently still coming down. I don't think the camera's picking it up, but it is still snowing. There's the sun. Sun from Uper Ray Sunshine. Hope you all are having a blessed day. Or will have a blessed day. We'll walk over to my neighbors. Koski Excavating. You ever need anything done with your roads? Gravel? Dirt? They're the folks to ask. Incredible. just incredible how much snow we've had in the last 2 days. Here comes a vehicle, and I don't want to get ran over. Well, that's it for now. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share me.